Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. This is Chisomebi, and in this video I'll be showing you how to get an instant $50 no deposit bonus that you can use to trade. Yes, so all you just need to do is to register, verify your documents. Yes, you claim the bonus and you are going to be able to withdraw all your profits. Yes, so if you know that you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also to share with your friends so that they can all benefit from it. Yes, so let's go as I show you how to claim the bonus.
All we do is take a little risk and make plenty of money. That's all we do. Are you prepared to take a little risk?
Getting started, this looks like a Spanish broker. Yes, so we have to use Chrome to translate it. So I'm just going to click on here, then click on translate, as you can see. Yes, so the first thing that we need to do is to register. Okay, so we're going to click on sign up right here. Okay, so we're going to be inputting our name. As you can see, it is in Spanish, so let's translate it again. So we're going to be inputting our name, our last name, email, and the rest. So let's do that right now. Yes, so my registration was successful. Please check your email, including spam and promotional inboxes, in order to verify your account. Yes, so a message has been sent to my email, so let's go and check it out. So this is the message right here. They want us to verify our email. Yes, email verification. Okay, so we are going to click on this link right here. They say we should follow the link below in order for us to verify our email address and also to create your Tretton wallet. So we are going to click on the link. Okay. Yes, so you're saying registration verify. So I'm logged in, and for us to be able to get the bonus, we have to verify. Yes, so we're going to be verifying. So we're going to be verifying our personal details. So we're just going to click on personal details. Yes, so we're going to be inputting our name, our address line, a phone number. So after that, we'll proceed to the next verification, which is finance. So let's do this first. So I've done that already, and it says profile completed. Yes, thank you for submitting. So we are going to head on to the next step. Yes, so we're going to click on it. So this one has to do with our financial information, so we're going to also fill it. As you can see, it is submitted successfully. So we're going to head on to the next step. So we're just going to click on it. Yeah, so this has to do with verifying your documents. Yes, verification for Tretton. You're about to submit sensitive data to Tretton. If you receive this link from the suspicious source, please close. Okay, so we're going to click on continue. Okay, continue. Yes, so the first step to get verified, we're going to provide our identity document, then perform a liveness check. Yes, then provide address information. So we're going to click on continue. Okay, so we're going to be selecting the document type that we want to verify, which is my ID. So I'm going to click on continue. Yes, so we're going to get ready to upload our ID right now. So click on continue. Okay, so we're also going to click on continue. So let's get that done. Okay, as you can see, I'm verified already. So this is where it's going to take you to once you get verified. So we're going to click on regular account. Then the currency is USD and the leverage is 100. So we're going to click on that. Then we'll now click on open real account. As you can see, it's loading. Yes, so congratulations, my account has been created successfully. Yes, so if you scroll down, you'll see that I've gotten the $50 no deposit bonus. Yes, so an email will be sent, a message will be sent to my email. That's where I'm going to get my login details that I'm going to use to log into MT5. Okay, so this is MT5. Yes, so we're just going to be clicking on this plus sign button right here. Then we'll be imputing the name of the broker, which is Stretton Server. Okay, we'll click on it. Yes, so we're going to be imputing our login details and password. Then after that, we'll click on login. So let's do that right now. Okay, so let's click on login. Yes, as you can see, I've gotten the bonus.